Atlanta Mine, existing 43101 resource in excess of 500,000 ounces gold. Past producer. District scale, lots of blue sky.
The Atlanta Gold Mine, the opportunity there is it has been completely unexplored since the 90s, despite the fact that there's past production there and there's gold across the project. We paid about $1 million for Atlanta, which is an incredible price considering the prior company paid about $16 million for it just a few years prior.
Why did Nevada King pick up Atlanta? We're dealing with a juicy hydrothermal system. This was an area that had a lot of explosive volcanic activity over a long period of time, with a lot of hot molten rock coming up into a water-rich environment, which gives you these large world-class deposits that are scattered all across the western United States.
If you look other districts nearby, there's 6, 8, 10 different pits in any given district. So I wouldn't be surprised to find several more of these types of deposits in the immediate area, say within a couple of miles radius.
We have an existing resource here, and we have a fair amount of blue sky around it.
It's strongly sulfidized breccia. Means there's a lot of fluids coming in here, a lot of mineralization. This is probably what's carrying the gold. You have hydrothermal fluids moving up and into the formations.
Yes, there's a mine there, but don't worry about the mine. There's something much bigger sitting on that land package, I believe.
You don't have a system like this that just ends.
Mother Nature doesn't do that. Mother Nature doesn't just go, okay, one little deposit. That kind of system is going to generate multiple deposits. It's just a question of where they are or how to find them.
Listen, there's a lot of fluid flow. There's a lot of gold here for sure. And I think that where you have a system this prolific with rocks that look like these, you're likely going to find other things. So this is really I think, the tip of the iceberg.
Here at Atlanta, we have put together a collection of targets in the heart of one of the most prolific gold-producing belts in the world.
The main controlling structure is big. This is a big wide zone. You can see it clearly at that end of the pit. And then if you look at that direction, you can see it again there. It's a nice big fat structure. It's good prognosis for extension of the existing deposit here.
We already have much of the pre-existing infrastructure. We have a nice camp set up, the power line and warehousing on site. We have a water line, we have water wells in the valley. The county road goes right through the property. This is maintained by the county. The core of the resource is on patent and mining claims that we own. It's not on federal lands.
In Nevada, the history of exploration and discovery has really been driven over the past 30 years by following up on known districts like Atlanta and then going out and finding new discoveries around historically mined deposits.
Even with the tremendous amount of historical exploration that we've had in Nevada, there's still tremendous potential in this state. And Atlanta is one of these places.